In this video, we're going to learn how to make gravy, and in this case, mushroom gravy, like a boss. Hello, good to see you again. These are the ingredients we're going to need for our mushroom gravy. Butter, stock, any stock will do. We're going to use leftover turkey stock. For mushroom gravy, mushroom broth would be best, of course. Garlic, finely minced, our sliced mushrooms, and all-purpose flour. So what I've done already off camera is slice the mushrooms, finely minced the garlic, sauteed the mushrooms in butter and the garlic, and reserve the mushrooms on the side. The next step is to make a simple roux. Simple roux is simply 1 part fat, in this case butter, to 1 part all-purpose flour. I'm only cooking for 3 tonight, so we're going to use 4 pats of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. Then what we do is we incorporate the flour in the butter. Now if you are making it in a pan that's this size, you can see how I'm just tilting it towards the bottom and letting the pan do a lot of the work. Now, once it gets to about this consistency, all we do is add the mushrooms. Incorporate the mushrooms into the gravy. Then the last touch is to season to taste. And we're done. As always, it's a privilege for me to be able to share this with you. Thank you for letting me do that, and thanks for watching.